everyone, Ellen Woodbridge here, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Australia. And I know you are all starting to receive some of your new stamp sets from the brand new annual catalogue. Now this is beautiful annual catalogue. I have shown this in some unboxing videos. I've even done a catalogue walkthrough, so make sure you have a look at those videos if you hadn't. But today I want to show you, you have your new stamps, but what is next? So I'm going to show you both our photopolymer stamp set and a cling stamp set of what to do when you get them. So I'll pop this catalogue out of the way. If you haven't got a catalogue in Australia and you would like one, please don't hesitate to contact me and I'll be more than happy to get you one out in the mail. So today I'm going to start with our photopolymer stamp sets. So they come in this fantastic DVD sized case, and when you open it up you have your stamps. And the new way we are doing our stamp sets this catalogue is the insert has the images printed on the inside. So all we have to do is take our stamps. Now if you would like to keep them on the plastic backing, you are more than welcome, but we have made it nice and convenient to pop them directly inside the case. So I've taken that protective barrier off and then I just remove them, and this one appears to go here and they go perfectly on our stamps. Now just peel these off carefully. I have known of some people that have torn them. So now that we pretend I've put all of those in the case, now when you want to go and use it, there is a little bit of residue from manufacturing on there. So all I do is I take my finger and I rub it all over the stamp. You can also use an eraser and just use your eraser over it. I find using my finger works very well, and it's just conditioning your stamp so it takes your Stampin' Up! Inks as best as what it can. So those two stamps are in here ready to go, ready to ink up and use. I don't know what went in there. Inked up, ready to use on your next stamping project. I will finish the rest of these later. Now, next on to our cling stamp sets. Now, these haven't changed in a number of years. They come in the same DVD styled case, and when you open it up you have a sheet of our image stickers and you have your stamps that are pre-die cut. So I do use our clear blocks, and I've just noticed that clear block does need a bit of a clean, but it will serve our purpose today. So I'm going to mount this very cute badger with the flower. So just pop him out of there, and then I'm going to remove this whole sticker. So you can use your fingers so you can see I've got the whole sticker, and I'm going to, whoa, don't drop it, I'm going to pop that on our clear block. Now to make it easier for me to pop off all the backing sheets, I'm going to use our take your pick tool, and I'm just using the paper piercing end because this backing is actually split in half, but I just have some issues popping it up, so I just use this. Now there also is a backing on the back of the stamp. So this makes our stamping really, really easy and gives us I will say, a reasonable guesstimation of where the image is. So if we stamp it like that, it's like, oh, is it right way? Which way's the badger angling? You're really, really not sure stamping just like this. So what I do, I pop our stamp onto a nice flat clean surface, and then I've got my image that I have stuck to our block, and then all I do is I line it up, and this gives me lots of control. I can see through my clear block, and then when I'm happy I just pop it down, give it a titch of a push, and then very carefully, and I will find very carefully, remove this from our block, and this is ready to go. I do just got a little bit of an air bubble in there, but that won't affect the way it stamps. Now what I do is I store them here directly on the sticker sheet. I find if I put them on the plastic, like getting them off the block, they are a little hard to get off, but if I put it directly back on the sticker sheet, it stays there, but it's very easy to get off. Now, like our photopolymer stamps, our red rubber does also have some manufacturing residue. So I just either use my Stampin' Mist and my Stampin' Scrub to clean it, but I just like to run my finger over those stamped raised edges, and that will be ready to stamp when I next make my card. Now, any of these products that I've shown today are available in my stores. So our clear blocks, our take your pick tool, and our 2 stamp sets that are left. I have assembled the rest of my sets. They are ready to stamp with over the coming months. So if I can help you at all, please don't hesitate to reach out. I do hope this video has been helpful for what to do when you get your new stamps. I hope to see you very soon in a new video. Have a great day. Bye.